Okay, this is 4184 Blacksmith. It's definitely like in a suburban area. Bunch of nice pricey houses. 2-car garage. Newer looking roof. No damage showing. No broken windows. We are missing maybe some light fixtures. Screen door. Can't really see in the windows too well, but yeah. But everything passes the peak test. There's some good carpet in there. Nice paint on the walls. Borders are on the top. They're not peeling or falling off or anything. That's a bedroom. Past that, you can see nice shiny hardwood floors. The inside looks pretty much immaculate via the windows, obviously. The backyard is really cool, but going to require some work. Something about fences falling down has been a common theme here in Memphis. So, nice place for kids. Nice pool. That's going to require a little bit of maintenance. I don't know. That might cost $1 million or $1,000. I don't know, something like that. But I don't know. Looks maybe about 6 feet deep in the deep end, something like that. There's one little roof problem up here. Not sure what all that's about. Looks like maybe some animal entry. Nice covered patio. Again, I don't think we'll be able to see in here. But hardwood floors, nice and shiny. All that looks good. All these gutters are still here. Tuck pointing's good. In the kitchen, there's a nice double tub sink. All the cabinets look really nice and maybe cherry or oak or something. Probably veneer. Tile on the floor, not linoleum. The only window you can really see through is to look in the garage. But even that's nice and clean looking. So big old yard. Need a little bit of landscaping. There's like a ramp with a pad. Maybe there's a little shed or something up there. Oh, nice and clean looking. Ooh, no water. All right.